Okay, a very good morning here on the 13th of July 2018. Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. And a very short, snappy update video on the current positions that we are running on the market here at this time on the money bars trading model, the lift-off, swing profit, smart money. We are actually short 8 positions across 3 different currencies. Across 2 different trading rooms, across 4 different strategies here at Master of the Markets at the moment. And I think it will be interesting and important to do an update video to just give you a little update as to where everything is. Now you can see very clearly here from the screen that on the money bars model we are running short currently on that pound US dollar. It is currently moving towards its target. It is the closest one out of all of the trading models to be going towards its target. Let's take a look at where the target is. Target is currently 129.71 and the current price 131.20. So we are currently only 80 pips away from the previous swing low on that pound dollar, and of course approximately 140 pips away from the target. So that is running short. The great thing about this trade today is not the fact that we're up £1,200. That's a nice bonus. But the fact that we get to trail a stop loss to better than break even today is the real bonus, should things all stay equal as they are. Let's go on to the next set of trading models, which of course is lift. So I've just gone ahead and logged into the Liftoff account just there, and you'll see there it is. There's the running trades on Liftoff at the moment. We've got actually only 3 trades running, although you'll see 4 lines. The reason there are 4 lines is just basically because, little mistake from my end, I only entered one of the positions at half the position size accidentally. It's very interesting that even at this level, you're susceptible to make mistakes when there are multiple trades like this running. And so I spotted the mistake. I studied the trades last night. Something didn't look right, and I found that that was a little mistake on the Aussie dollar. I'd only entered half the position that I should have, and so of course I added the other half yesterday evening. And now look at how these positions are running. This Aussie dollar, although it was looking like yesterday it was moving against us, here today in the market you can see that it is pushing lower just there. Whether it continues to do that or not, we don't know, but of course what we do know for sure is that we need to follow the plan consistently, and that is exactly what we have done with the Aussie dollar. So you can see we're short that, and the Aussie dollar is up around 210, 220 pounds at the moment. The Aussie dollar is up, which of course adds to the 1,800 pounds that the pound dollar was up as well in floating profit just there. If you look at the next currency across, it is the Euro US dollar. We had a money bars trade which we've already banked out this week, which gave us a £2,400 upside. But this one you can see, in fact the pound dollar was not up £1,800, it was up £1,200. My apologies there for the mistake. £1,200 plus the £220 on the Aussie dollar. This euro dollar liftoff, you can also see that we have put a target for the previous swing low, £1,839 of upside we're expecting. We're currently up on that, £830 just there, and this is all floating profit. Now remember, the key thing with this is that I'm always looking for ways, and the trading strategies and the models here at Vedanta Trading, the whole team is always looking for ways to minimize the downside. And so today, again, if all things stays equal, we will be in a position where we can actually minimize the trade risk on these particular trading opportunities just there. So we're looking to minimize the trade risk on these trading opportunities. We'll be able to take this to better than break even today as well. Final opportunity that's running, of course, is the pound US dollar. We opened that, is the newest trade that we opened. That was done last night in the live trading room. We spotted the pound dollar setup, which of course was a textbook pound dollar setup. It met every condition on the structured trading plan. The 18-page trading plan that we've constructed has been met, and as a result of that, that is pound dollar. So we're up on the pound dollar at this time, £283, representing around about 0.5%. So the move has just started, but yeah, you can see the target is for £1,688 just there. So £283 on the pound dollar. Just on the live trading room alone, the current floating profit at this time is 1,200 plus the 220 plus the 830 plus the 283 pounds, giving us 2,533 pounds of net upside floating profit at the moment. These can still reverse. That is an absolute possibility. The market can do anything. But of course, we know how to cap the downside, and that's what we've done already. We've taken the majority of these trades to better than break even. The Vedanta Elite trading room is also short on the Aussie dollar, also short on the pound dollar as well, and also on the euro dollar across the smart money trading strategy, as some of you will know that are trading with us in the Vedanta Elite capacity. So multiple positions running. As I said, we're actually running 8 different positions across 2 trading rooms, across 4 different strategy models at this time. So that's pretty much it from me in terms of my update. I look forward to speaking to you all very, very soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, keep trading like a master. Bye for now.